For today's nail art, we are doing some double stamping. I'm starting off with my nails polished Can You Dig It from Color Club and adding a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. For my background, I'm using Creative Shop Plate 17 and the color is pink from Mundo de Unas. Over the background, I'm going to be stamping a white design using that same plate. Remove the liquid latex and finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.